680. How's your day, Ate Lot?
Okay lang po.
Very good. 680. I'm gonna give her 320. Guys, hold on. One sunny morning to each every one of you, and good day. How are you all doing? Day 62, guys and girls, of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. See that? Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. No, we're not getting there, but we're on the road. We're on track. Keep on going. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Avoid those people who talk nice, not too good to be true, and not in any kind of business transactions or in any promises. Okay, otherwise you'll be failed and you wouldn't succeed. Right? Right. Bye for now. 608. Bye bye.